Hi, I'm Jody Thomas with Kramer Electronics. We have partnered with a company called EventBoard on the development of a meeting scheduling platform that Kramer is launching here at ISE. EventBoard is a cloud-based software as a service that ties to Apple iPads for use as display devices outside of conference rooms, classrooms, and so forth. The cloud application defines the enterprise organization, or however many rooms that particular organization is using. The iPads located outside of each one of the rooms can then display all of the meeting data that's associated with that particular room. EventBoard app synchronizes in the background from cloud to cloud with either Office 365, Google Apps, as well as with Exchange environment. And so the user's process of booking a meeting doesn't change. They go into Outlook, they create a new meeting, they invite the attendees, and they invite the room. Most organizations are already using this functionality to reserve the rooms as resources, and all we're doing is we're extending that in with the ability to then display that resource information outside of the meeting room. We've also incorporated some additional functionality. EventBoard allows for you to have custom themes. So those themes can either be chosen in the EventBoard management app to be one of the default 20 to 30 themes, or you can have a custom theme developed that represents the branding of the company that's deploying EventBoard within their organization. In this case, we have a Kramer theme that's been developed, such as in this particular room, for the boardroom, we wanted to have a red theme. Over in the classroom, we wanted to have a green theme. And so we created custom themes that reflect the branding of what we wanted to show for this particular event. Within the app, you also have the ability to do reservations directly from the display. So if I walk up and have a booking that I wanted to see when the time was available, I can go in and say, okay, I'm going to grab this particular room from 1 to 1:30 and reserve. Once I reserve that, it then synchronizes that back to the Exchange or Office 365 or Google Apps environment. And then I can go in and change the name to Jody's Meeting. And I can also then go in and try to find an additional room if I'm not happy with Boardroom C. So if I wanted to go in and then choose a different room, then I can go in and find a different space. It will show me all of the available spaces within the organization and see, okay, well, if Boardroom C is not available when I needed to, I can go in and grab the Europe conference room and basically find the available slot that I needed to book that space. EventBoard is very flexible in terms of the ability to end events locally from the display. I can also go in and choose to enable or disable the ability to book the event from the display itself. So that if I have executive conference rooms that an administrative assistant are taking care of, then I can prevent those particular rooms from being booked locally and rely on whatever that executive assistant is doing in terms of managing those particular rooms as resources. So that's the quick rundown of what Kramer and EventBoard are doing with meeting scheduling solutions. And if you'd like more information about that, please visit us at kramerelectronics.com.